What's up, guys? I'm on my way right now to go and fly my drone, and I'm going to be using these VR goggles, which are actually my kids' goggles. I didn't think about using them with the drone. I just totally forgot I could try to use them with the drone, so I'm gonna try to use those with the drone today. So come and check it out. Yeah, I totally forgot I could use those, try to use those goggles with the drone. I just remembered today that I had got those. I got 2 sets of them for both my kids. So I just remembered today. I was like, wait a minute, I could try to use those VR glasses that I got them. I was like, yeah. So I said, let me test it out, see how it is before a flight, see how it connects, whatever. So, when I turned it on, I tried it on the Lychee app because I could easily see where you hit a VR. I don't know where to do it on the DJI drone app because I'm using the standard. So anyway, what I did was I tried it on, and I could see that if I move my head up and down, the gimbal moves up and down also. I thought that was pretty cool. So I said, wait a minute, let me set the gimbal another 30 degrees up, so when I put my head up, the gimbal will also go up. And I did that. I was like, oh wait a minute, I kind of like this. I like the way it moves up and down. So I said, let me go out there and do the flight that I was gonna do today, and do it with the VR goggles, because I know that I had a lot of problems with the sun. As I'm looking down at on my phone, and I did get that sunscreen, but it really doesn't help much. So I mean, today's not a sunny day; it's pretty cloudy, it's winter. But now with the goggles, I could just look into the goggles perfectly without the sun even bothering my eyes. So I'm gonna try it out with that. I think I'm really gonna like it though with the VR, because a lot of you guys told me try it with the VR, you'll never go back and stuff like that. So I was like, I gotta try it one day. Now that I remember that I bought my kids VR goggles, because they like watching YouTube videos and stuff like that, and with the VR goggles, 360 degree. So I'm gonna do that. Right now. So I'm heading to a spot where I can fly the drone, a safe place, and I'm gonna do it there. One of the things is it's a whole setup, like it adds more to your setting up. It's a whole big contraption of a setup. I'm talking about powering the drone, get the battery, make sure you don't forget anything, batteries, also the you gotta set up turn on your remote, your phone, throw on the shove it into the VR, and then put the VR. It's a whole big setup, so I'm gonna try it out. Well, I decided not to bring my my main vlogging cam, so that I'm using the GoPro, so the picture's gonna be a little bit shaky on the GoPro as I'm vlogging, because I noticed that it's very shaky when you're holding it, but my other camera is specifically to reduce what it does is reduces all the shaking and stuff like that. So I didn't want to bring that camera. It's a little bit on the heavyish side, but I just wanted something to quickly whip out and put back in the pocket. Okay, I just got here, so let me just have it here. So I'm gonna test it out now. So I gotta set everything up. I forgot to bring my tripod. Yeah, I have a little tripod that I set up for this GoPro, but I forgot. Turn this bad boy on. Yeah, so these are the glasses I'm gonna use, the goggles I'm gonna use. These are like basic ones, so has a little thing here, slides in and out the phone compartment. So I'm gonna do that. How do I look with these bad boys on? Yeah, I won't be able to hold the camera, but maybe I can set it over here. I don't know, it's gonna fall out of the dash. I'm gonna do it from the car. Okay, let me just adjust this so I can see a little better. You gotta align things here. You can see the numbers, good. All right.
0 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 90% battery. Feet altitude, 0 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 68% battery.
Bring it up to like 100 feet. You just go around this. There's nobody over here. It's dead.
107 feet altitude, 223 feet distance, 25 miles per hour, 67% battery. One 105 feet altitude, 692 feet distance, 25 miles per hour.
Okay, I'm testing something out. I'm testing out what's gonna happen if I'm running low. I'm on 5% and hold the stick up. Don't let it land. But I'm gonna hold it really low. I wanna see if it's just gonna drop. I'm gonna hold it real low to the ground. I'm on 4%. If you're forcing it to go up, while the aircraft is in the air, like I can make it go up. Even though it's forcing itself to land, I want to see what's gonna happen when it goes low and dies out. I'm on 2% battery. I'm gonna keep it real low. I don't just want it to slam on the floor. I'm on 1% battery. Oh, it will just drop. That's what's gonna happen. If you're forcing it up, the aircraft stuff. If you're forcing it up, that's exactly what's gonna happen. If you're forcing it to go up while it's forcing itself to land, it will drop out of the sky. And that's it.